In Littleton, Colorado, Gino's Automotive is built on more than repairs. It's built on family, trust, and experience. What began as a small shop between brothers in 1983 has since grown into a true community cornerstone, grounded in consistency, communication, and doing right by the people they serve.
My brother Gino and I decided to start a shop. Mostly him, he wanted to start a shop. Our dad had a shop when we were growing up, and I was just graduating high school, was in some trade schools, and he said, let's start a shop, come help me. And we got it going. We started off just nice and small back in May of 1983. You know, I learned everything from the ground up in automotive. I didn't attend any kind of school, so I learned it on the job, every day working on cars, diagnosing cars, all that kind of stuff, I guess, or all that knowledge. And then, you know, the hardest thing to learn is people. Learning how to communicate, talk to them nice, get them to understand if you're trying to explain, because automotive is so difficult to explain, and getting them to understand what you're trying to tell them and why it would be a good thing to fix it this way or not this way, or don't spend money here, spend it over here.
I started when I was about 15 years old. I had a local automotive machine shop, and I would go and I would shadow the owner there, and he taught me automotive machining, got me into building engines, getting into old muscle cars and such. And then from there, I went to school for business management, and while I was getting my business management degree in Pennsylvania, I also did a automotive technology degree, and so I actually graduated with dual degrees. Well, I was asked to come join Steve at Geno's about 14 years ago. And Steve and I clicked off right away because we're both golfers. And I decided that him and I were going to be a good fit with each other, and it's proven to work out really well for the both of us.
This isn't just a place people bring their cars, it's a place they come back to for decades. Families grow here. Trust is built through honest guidance, familiar faces, and being approachable when it matters most.
It's interesting because whenever I travel in public in the Littleton area, I'm often stopped by my clients, and you know, it's the type of community where they'll stop and thank you for working on their vehicles.
Oh, it's just wonderful. It's nice to see them again. It's nice to catch up with them. Wonderful to see their kids, so they come from the car seat to where they're almost driving and all those things. It's heartwarming. That's a good word for it.
It's interesting in the Littleton area, where this is basically centered in, the shop is centered in, is we have families here that basically they're multi-generational families.
Being consistent in our service, helping the customers make the right decisions, or help them to choose the right repairs for their vehicle, or whether to repair their vehicle or not. Sometimes we have to guide them in that direction too. Approachable is another thing that you know, we've always been approachable. You know, customers don't feel uncomfortable to come back and talk to us about something, another problem that they could have.
The same commitment extends beyond the shop. For more than 20 years, Geno's has shared advice over the airwaves, helping drivers navigate repairs, new technology, and real-world decisions, one conversation at a time.
The radio show initially was it was a BDG group that was started with NAPA, probably in the mid-90s, but it slowly changed into just a radio show. And we've been doing it on Denver's oldest radio station, 560 KLZ, for a good 20-some years, 25 years. It's been a long time. And we go on Saturdays. We start at 10 o'clock and we go till 1 o'clock. And we have a great following. You know, car repair, which way we think it should be fixed, or how, give them some guidance on things. And also, we talk about, you know, like traffic, things like that, and new laws that are affecting us, and hybrids, and the show really becomes, it morphs into whatever the callers take it to, batteries or brakes or whatever comes up that day. You know, actually, it helps me a lot to talk to the callers and find out what their needs are and what they're thinking and where they're going. You know, and lately the callers have been talking about keeping their cars, and they've been afraid of the hybrids and the new changes, and also the expense. We talk about expensive, how expensive it is to buy a car. And then also we guide people on how to purchase a car, those kind of things, and help them with that.
After years in the industry, the mission became clear: give back. Through mentoring and teaching, experience is passed forward, helping prepare the next generations of technicians for what's ahead.
I'm bringing the next generation up. I'm trying to give back after taking, from the industry for, I've been doing this about 22 years. I'm starting to give back. There's a lot of complaints about technician shortage and stuff like that. I'm trying to help alleviate that. I'm trying to bring in the next generation of automotive technicians. I'm really good at communicating, and that's probably step one for being an automotive instructor, is be able to relay information. I'm also a ASE certified master tech, and I have a lot of years experience working on vehicles. So with those two combined, it's probably the best combination to be able to pass off my knowledge to the next generation.
Because in the end, a successful business isn't just about processes, it's about people. Creating a workplace where employees feel valued, supported, and proud to be part of something bigger.
I like the organization factor, running a business that can be profitable by setting certain standard operating procedures.
I'd say providing a good work environment for my employees. I enjoy seeing a smile on their face, seeing that they're happy to come to work. I enjoy them. I enjoy paying, giving them a check. I love that part. I love to know that I'm helping them with their lives.